Hey guys, this is ZacJacDan, and I'm back with another Marvel Legends Top 10 list. This time we're talking about the most expensive Marvel Legends loose, Toy Biz and Hasbro combined. So today the rules for the most expensive top 10 list is the eBay auction had to have more than one bid. The auction was probably within the last 4 months, and the sale price plus the shipping price determined the total price sold. No buy it now, no make offers. So at number 10, I'm going to hold off there for a second and show you the honorable mention, $50 for that Venom figure from the Absorbing Man. He had 33 bids. That's pretty high for that Venom figure. So number 10, I got $64 for the Deadpool Series 6, 24 bids. No dupe in that one. Number 9, you got $66 for the Vulture from the Sinister 6 box set, 20 bids. Number 8, King Hulk, $68 from the Fin Fang Foom Build-A-Figure. It's only got one bid. I kept that on the list though because I got some duplicates down here. Number 7, $69 for Dr. Doom, Epic Heroes Wave, 38 bids. Never got the white version of that. Alright, here's the tie, 6A and 6B, $75 for 2099 Spider-Man for 12 bids, and $75 for Wendigo, Fin Fang Foom Build-A-Figure, 26 bids. And that's why I had that King Hulk up there with only one bid, even though I don't usually do that. Number 5, $77 for Doc Ock. Not sure what series that was, but 38 bids. Number 4, $78 for Thunderball from the Arnim Zola Wave, 18 bids. Number 3, $86 for Wrecker, Rocket Raccoon Build-A-Figure, 3 bids. Number 2, $90 for Jean Grey from the Rocket Raccoon Build-A-Figure, 22 bids. And number 1, $159 for the Archangel Hit Monkey Build-A-Figure, 43 bids. And you guys are going to be kicking ourselves whenever we see that new box set that comes out with the Archangel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so you'll see all my new videos coming forward, and go back and look at all my older videos if you'd like. Talk to you guys later.